Welcome to the Python tutorial. Today we are going to discuss about a dictionary in Python. A dictionary is a way to store a data just like in list and tuples. If you work with Oxford dictionaries or any dictionaries, then what we see in Oxford dictionaries is that there is a lots of word and these words have some meanings. So similarly in Python we have Oxford like dictionaries, but instead of words we have key, and instead of meanings we have value, and each key is associated with their values. Key and value are separated with colon, and each key value pair are separated using a comma. The main difference between a dictionary and list or tuples is that instead of using only numbers to access the data, we can use anything, which means that when we want to access the item from list or tuples, we only use a index value, which is a numeric value. But in dictionary, we can use anything just like a string, character, or a numbers. So this is all about a dictionary. Let us understand through some simple example of dictionaries. Here I opened a Python shell and now I am going to create a dictionary. So for that we have to use a variable and assigning some item inside the dictionary. So this is an empty dictionary because we don't have any item inside this dictionary. Dictionaries are represented using a curly braces. The first item having a key value pair is 2007, which is integer, and here I put a hello. So this 2007 integer is a key and this string is a value. So this value is associated integer value. So here I again put some item which is 2008, and so here again this string is associated with this integer value. I'm going to print the value. So here we get the result in curly braces, which means that the item inside the curly braces are the dictionary items. Now I'm going to get the value using a key item. So here I put a, and inside the square bracket I put 2007. So here we get the result hello, which is this hello value which is associated with this key 2007. So this is all about a dictionary in Python.